Opening the camera settings on a Samsung Galaxy phone is quick and gives you access to many useful options that can improve your photos and videos. To begin, unlock your Samsung Galaxy device and locate the camera app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap the camera icon to launch the application. Once the camera app is open, look for the Quick Controls icon, which is represented by 4 small dots. Depending on your Samsung Galaxy model and the version of One UI installed on your device, this icon may appear near the bottom or along the side of the camera interface. Tap the 4-dot icon to expand the available camera controls and shortcuts. From the pop-up menu that appears, tap the Settings icon, which is shaped like a gear. This will take you directly to the main camera settings page. Here you can personalize a variety of camera features to match your preferences. For example, you can adjust picture quality, enable grid lines for better composition, turn HDR on or off, customize watermark settings, manage shooting methods, configure video resolution, activate scene optimization, or enable location tags for your photos. Take a few moments to explore the available options and choose the settings that best suit your photography needs. Once you've finished making any desired changes, simply tap the back arrow or swipe back to return to the camera app. Your selected settings are automatically saved, so there's no need to press a save button. Your Samsung Galaxy camera is now configured and ready to capture photos and videos using your preferred settings.